guys, it's your girl Crystal Celeste, and I'm back with a video. I'm so excited. Havana Cuban twist, aka rope twist, aka Senegalese. You know, we done found 50,000 names for twist. Okay, so first thing first, to do the rubber band method, this is the best. I'm telling y'all, this is the best way to go. When you're talking about rubber band method for twist, this is what you want to do. All I did was split my part open, placed in the hair. Now I'm going to twist the hair, and you're going to see, just like I was doing like just a regular 2-strand twist it on top once or twice until I feel like it's nice and sturdy at that base. Okay, then I'm going to take 2 rubber bands and I'm going to feed them on through. Okay, and I can't really tell you how many times I do it. I just do it until I feel like it's sturdy enough. Now this part is crucial. Smooth out her hair, his or her hair, from root to tip. Okay, it's going to make it very easy to tuck it. If you don't, trust me, it's not going to be a good look. Smooth it out with a nice edge control of your choice, and then tuck the hair inside of that. Okay, and I'm gonna show you another twist here shortly, kind of slowing it down. But as you can see here, I'm just tucking it in. You do not have to be in a rush, you guys. I get it. A lot of people are trying to rush out, and people got things to do. As you practice more, you'll get faster. But in the beginning, a lot of people are making mistakes because you're just trying to go too fast. Like you're doing too much. Slow down, take your time, tuck her hair in, and then twist. And so all I do is braid all the way down to the end. If I need to grab more hair, I do that. Right here, as you can see, I knot the ends. Some people burn them, you know, do what's best for you, but it's a very fun, comfortable style. I know with the bigger braids, I like to knot them. So anyway, right here, I am definitely smoothing her edges down a little bit more. And once again, y'all, I got the hair in the middle. I got the 2 strands. I'm twisting, and I got a rubber band, as you can see. All right, girl, pay very close attention to what's going on. You see that? I opened it up, flattened it, and I just tucked her hair underneath. Okay, and now I'm twisting. Once again, take your time. See how I'm doing with my other hand? I'm opening it up. Sometimes you kind of got to open the hair up to tuck the hair in. So I really hope this is making sense to y'all. Like, I really hope it is. And I can always make more videos. I'm just kind of getting the swing of this, y'all. I'm excited to show and to share my talent with you all. So once again, just tuck in her hair. As you can see, you do not see her hair sticking out of any of those twists. Okay, that's the secret sauce. It's not so much the twist, it's the tuck and twist. Now I'm going all the way down. She wanted some waist length. I think they ended up going like past her butt though. Yes, girl. So just keep on twisting, and voila! Yay, we're all finished. Look how cute she looks. I mean, this hairstyle is so adorable. Super quick to do. Remember, take your time though. But yeah, we're done, you guys. And remember, nobody's perfect. Just keep trying. You'll get it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe. Bye, guys.